Hello from Seoul. Beef bulgogi, pork bulgogi, mountain bulgogi. Yes, we've been traveling around the bulgogi world, but we can't talk about bulgogi without chicken bulgogi. Alright, are you guys ready? Let's get started. Today, we're gonna be making bulgogi, one of the most popular Korean dishes. Normally, it's made with beef or pork, but let's make it with chicken this time. But don't worry about it, it'll be quick and easy and super delicious. So it's gonna be your new favorite weeknight dinner. For this, you will need chicken, green onions, garlic, dried chilies, and a bowl of hot rice. That's it, so simple, right? But if there's only chicken bulgogi and rice, I might get killed by our taste tester. So with these bad boys, let's make a simple Korean side dish. Yeah, this is how married men survive. First, let's chop some green onions. As always, more green onion, more delicious. And if you wanna have some fancy bulgogi party on the weekend, then let me give you one pro tip. Get yourself some shredded green onions from a Korean grocery store and spread them out onto a plate like a blanket and add your chicken bulgogi on top of that. Then people will think you're a Korean master chef. What? You wanna get these kind of tips? More and more? I'm so glad you brought that up because I made it for you. With this one book, you can cook more than 100 Korean dishes like a pro. So don't forget to pre-order my book today. The link is in the description. And then finally chop 3 cloves of garlic. If you wanna add lots and lots of garlic like real Koreans, then bring as much as you want because there's no such thing as too much garlic in Korea. So no problem at all. After that, get yourself 600 grams of boneless chicken thighs. Depending on your preference, you can remove the skin or just leave it on, but to save my ass, let me remove it this time because that can provoke Claire to anger. I know chicken skin is so delicious, but if you're a married man, listen, we have one life to live. Now let's make the sauce. To a small container, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of corn syrup, 2 tablespoons of mirin, half a teaspoon of dark soy sauce, half a tablespoon of cornstarch or potato starch, some black pepper, minced garlic, and give it a good mix. For information, this dark soy sauce is not an essential ingredient in Korean cuisine, but that's gonna make your dish look a lot more gorgeous, just like a restaurant version. So I want you to give this a try. It'll be so worth it. Last but not least, add 1 or 2 dried chilies. These bad boys will add a nice spicy kick to it, so you're gonna love it so much. FYI, I'm using Vietnamese dried chilies, but you can also use other dried chilies like pepperoncino or Thai chilies. So just use what you have. That's the best. Alright, it's cooking time. To a large pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil and heat it over medium-high heat. Once it gets nice and hot, add in your chicken and let it cook for about 6 to 7 minutes. For information, if you didn't remove the chicken skin, you can skip the oil, but place your chicken skin side down. Once it gets a little bit of color, add the white parts of the green onions and saute for 30 seconds. But as you can see, I totally forgot. Sorry about that. But don't worry about it, it should be alright. Once you can smell the amazing aroma of green onions, reduce the heat to medium and pour the sauce you made. Now all we gotta do is stir fry all together for about 1 to 2 minutes or until the chicken is nicely coated. Normally, when we make bulgogi, we marinate the meat and just heat the pan or grill. But if you cook them with a liquid like this, you can reduce the cooking time and you don't have to worry about your chicken being undercooked. Yes, that's right, it's the perfect recipe for weeknight dinners. Nah, you're welcome. Once the sauce is thickened and the chicken looks beautiful, turn the heat off and drizzle with 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil. And then give it a little toss and set them aside. That's it, so simple, right? This time, let's make a quick and easy Korean side dish called gochumuchim. For this, I'm gonna be using 200 grams of oigochu, which is literally translated as cucumber chilies. As you might guess from its name, it's not spicy at all and it has a lot of moisture, just like cucumbers. So it's gonna be great for salads. What? You can't get these? Don't worry about it. You can replace them with cucumbers or bell peppers. No problem at all. Alright, let's cut them into nice bite-sized pieces. Although they are mild, sometimes you can get some aliens. So if you don't want to call my name with the F word in the bathroom the next day, make sure to shake the seeds out. This little detail will save your ass. Now let's move on to the salad dressing. In a bowl, add 2.5 tablespoons of doenjang, Korean soybean paste, 1 tablespoon of Korean chili pepper flakes, half a tablespoon of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of corn syrup, 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame oil, and give it a good mix. If you use a small bowl like me, they can drive you crazy. So I hope you guys use a large bowl. Once it's well combined, all you have left is pour it over the chili peppers and give it a nice little toss. It's basically done now. But if you don't mind putting a little bit more effort and you wanna make it more fancy, then finish it up with half a tablespoon of ground sesame seeds. Trust me, if you grind them up like this, you will get like 5 times more intense nutty flavor. Alright, it's time to assemble. Let's get some rice into a bowl and add a generous amount of our chicken bulgogi. And then add some salad on the side and finish it with our love, green onion, and toasted sesame seeds. How was it? Couldn't be any easier, right? But if it's your wife's birthday or anniversary, garnish it with some sliced red chilies. See? Even more gorgeous, right? Alright, let's see how it tastes.
Wow, looks beautiful. It kind of reminds me of kung pao chicken or teriyaki chicken. I don't know. Anyways, looks super delicious. Let's try. 우후, 아주 글로시한 게 너무 맛있어 보인다. 지난주에 오이 무침에 이어서 이번엔 고추 무침을 했구만. 맛있어 보이는구만. Cheers. 이 아삭아삭한 고추에 된장이 샥 잘 만나가지고 짭조름하니 완전 맛있어. So nice and crisp. 이러다가 이것만 먼저 먹겠어. 빨리 먹자. I want this bad boy. It looks super delicious. It's calling my name. Oh my god. 이 소스 뭔데? Ready? 내가 아는 맛. 익숙한 맛. 맛있는 맛. 맛있어. 그냥 누구나 친숙한 맛인 것 같아. 누구든지 막 거부감 없이 딱 접근할 수 있는 그런 맛인 것 같아. 짭조름하면서 아주 약간 달콤한 것 같으면서도 약간의 hit도 느껴지는 것 같고, 그리고 중요한 건 소스가 너무 잘 뱄어. 15분 만에 한 것 같은 그런 느낌이 아니야. 괜찮다. 맛있다. Let's try with rice. I'm gonna make power with this. Rice, chicken. 아삭함을 추가하기 위해서 오이고추까지. So ready for this. Cheers! 밥이랑은 말해 뭐해. 그냥 너무 맛있는데 여기에 오이 향긋함까지 추가가 되니까 진짜 100배 맛있어졌어. 오버하는 것 같지만 진짜 맛있음. 오케이. 아 이거 진짜 맛있는데? 괜찮은데? Oh my gosh. Cheers!
Today, I showed you how to make a chicken rice bowl with chicken bulgogi. How was it? It's incredibly easy, right? Since it's so quick and easy, even if you had a long day of work, you don't have to order some takeouts. And most importantly, it tastes amazing. So once you try it, I'm pretty sure you will see yourself making this over and over again. I guarantee it. Alright, this is it for today. Don't forget to pre-order my book, and I'll see you next time.